class 4. Now you have math class, and last day I told you that we will discuss about rounding of the numbers, rounding off to the nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. You know the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So any number below this number and any number greater than number, if any number 5 or more, that will be nearest to the round to the 10, and if it is less than 5, that will not be rounded to the 10. Next one example is there also. Again I am writing some numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now suppose you are given 14, nearest 10, rounding up to the nearest 10. So 14 is less than 15. So nearest 10 is 10. But if it is 17, that is more than 15. So nearest 10 will be 20. One example more. 54. Nearest 10, that will be 50. But if it is 56, nearest 10 near to the 60. Now if it is 55, it can be 50, can be 60, but every time we will write the highest number, that is 60. So if it is 5, rounded up to the nearest 10, that is 10. If it is 35, that will be 40. If it is 95, that will be 100. 100 means 10, 10. 100 means 10, 10. That is 100. Now rounding up to nearest 100. Rounding off to the nearest 100. Now 1, 2 up to 50, and then 100. If it is more than 50 or 50, greater than is equal to 50. If the number is 50 or more, then nearest 100 will be 100. Suppose 655, that is 655. So 600 is more than 500. Sorry, 600 is more than 500. 655, that is nearest to the, it is nearest to 600, here nearest to 700. Now as it is more than 650, 650, more than 650, it will be 700. But if it is 649, it may be 700 or maybe 600. But as it is below the 650, it will be 600 and it not will be the 700. That is rounding up to nearest 100. Now rounding up to nearest 1000. 1000. Lowest number is 1000, 1000. Now it is, if it is 1050, nearest 1000 is 1000. But if it is 1250, that is also 1000. But if it is 1500, we will always take the greater, that is nearest up to 2000. Also we can write 1607. Nearest 1000 is more than 1500, so it will be 2000. That is rounding up to nearest 1000. So exercise 1.5, 196, nearest 10, 96, more than 95, so it will be more than 95, 100, already 100 is there, so it is 200. Now 212, nearest 100, 212, nearest 100 is either 200 or 300, but 200 is very near, so it will be question number 1.5c, nearest 100 will be 200. So you can do this also. And last day we have told that we will start Roman numericals. Roman numericals, you know, like today I just start this one. Whenever we write I, that is 1. I. 2. 3, that is 4, that is 5. These are called Roman numerals. Now 6, 7, 8. Now you can write this as 9, and this one is 10. So whenever you write 10, that is x, that is 10. X means 10. But whenever you write ix, that is 1 less than x, that is 9. Now if you write xi, that is 1 more than x, that is 11. Okay. Now 12 xii, 12, 13 x triple I, xiv 14, xv 15. You can count like this. And here some are written I1, V5, X10, L50, C100, all are in capital words. IV, XL, C, D 500, M is equal to 1000. Next day we will discuss more about Roman numericals, and now you complete the exercise 1.5 A to J, page number 17 and 18. In next class we will discuss about Roman numerals.